Hey everyone, we're back from vacation. I thought I would get right back at it and do a flip and drag. I did do one on my live Monday night, Viewer's Choice Colors, of course. But I want to revisit another color palette and see what we can get. So tonight, I've already got my white down on a 10 by 20. Tonight we're going to be using Lamp Black from Creative Inspirations. This is Prussian Blue mixed with Iridescent Medium, Artist Loft Cerulean Blue, and Craftsmart Blue Ice Pearl. So I'm going to go ahead and get my 5-ounce cup, and I'm going to spray it with my WD-40 silicone spray. I use this to release the paint from the cup. However, and I do rub it in, but if you don't rub it in, you will get some very small cells from it. I wouldn't use it as a cell creator, per se. Okay, so I'm going to start with some black. And I'm going to follow that with the Prussian Blue. And some Cerulean Blue. And the Craftsmart Blue Ice Pearl. I'm going to give that just a tiny swirl. And I'm going to place that in the center of my canvas. So I've been busting my butt today and yesterday doing laundry and cleaning house. So I thought I'm going to paint tonight. It's late, but yeah, it's very late. It's 20 after 9. But that's okay. I needed a break and I don't have to get up in the morning. So I can sleep in a little bit. We'll see. Okay, so I have a lot of paint on the canvas. There's probably 1.5 ounces in that cup. So what I want to do is move it around and fill up the canvas. And I'm gliding on top of the white paint as best as I can. I'm going to go up and get some of this black and Prussian blue up here, and I'm going to try to bring it to there. I do dip my cup in the white first because I like to go on the outside edge of that. Okay. So I always give it a second to relax and level out a little bit. If you noticed today, if you're watching videos today, my ads are up. I got my monetization last night, and I was very excited to now have this as a second income along with my Amazon influencer shop. So my goal is to be a full-time artist, and that way I can be here for you guys more often and hopefully do more teaching, more tutorials for you. So if it doesn't bother you, go ahead and watch those ads. I understand if you want to click past them and just watch the pours, I get that too. So, but I'd appreciate it if you'd watch them. So I'm just stretching it out just a little bit to fill up some canvas. This blue on this opposite side is crazy. Can you see how it's fanning out? It's fanning out really cool. I have lots of work to do this week before my brother-in-law comes home on Saturday night. So I have got probably 50 paintings that I need to clean and varnish, and restack some canvas because we hit the canvas sale, and just a lot of work. Lots of work to do. But it's nice having this break from him. My head is clear. I'm not stressed. So I'm enjoying painting without the fear of him yelling, "Hey!" But we'll see how it goes when he gets home. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my airbrush. If you're new to the channel, I have an Amazon link below where you can go to my shop, and this is the airbrush that I use. It's a master airbrush. The PSI is 25, which makes it perfect air mounts for moving paint around on your canvas. It's not too forceful. So if you're interested in getting one, use the link below. You can also do your other shopping there as well. I do make a small commission off my sales. And I have everything there that I use, from the torch to these under pads and the washing machine tray. Everything you would need to do acrylic pouring, it's there. So I'm just going to go ahead and start pushing some of this out. I've got a lot of black right here that I want to get out of there, and maybe I can bring some of that blue over it. We'll see. Without getting too, it'll be more like Payne's Gray if I get over it too far. That'll work. I got a little patch there that I don't like, so we can fix that while I'm there. I kind of like this here, so I'm going to go ahead and go around that. I'm waiting to see if it bleeds more into the paint. And this section right here is really pretty. That's the nice thing with the airbrush. You don't have to do all your edges. You can pick and choose. Like this area here, I'm going to bring some of the color into it so it won't be so barren. And if you're interested in purchasing my artwork, you can shoot me an email at christinawelchart@yahoo.com. You can also reach me through Facebook. I do have an Etsy shop. However, like this painting, you won't see it there for at least a month. It has to have time to cure and be varnished. And but if you're interested in getting them before they hit Etsy, just shoot me an email or a message on Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this around so I can work on the other side. I really love that blue, but I'm going to try to pull that dark blue into it a little bit. See, and I like that there. So funny how I pick and choose, isn't it? Where I want to blow. Okay, so I want to see if I can move that out into that to make it not so uniform. Yeah, I like that line there. It's kind of neat. Okay. There's so much going on with this painting that I probably could have stretched it out and left it alone and not airbrushed it at all, but you know me, I can't leave anything alone. And this here is just kind of blah, so I'm going to go ahead and push that all the way out. I love the movement because it's down and up and down. I think it's really cool. Let me give it a torch. I'm first popping the air bubbles. That happened from flipping the cup and dragging. So then I'll go in and see if I get any additional cells. But I pretty much get mine right in the very beginning. Once in a while I'll get a little patch that pops up, but not too often. Okay, she's pretty. I like it. So let me give you a little close-up. But on the bottom there, that little line with the blue patch, it's really cool. I really like that. It's very different. So click subscribe while you're here. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Hit that little bell on the side of the subscribe button and get notified when I upload my videos. Check out my links in the description for all your paint pouring supplies, and I also have a PayPal link in there if you want to sponsor my channel. I'm working on a piece right now that will be the prize, and I'm not gonna show it. It's gonna be a surprise. But if you have sponsored, I don't publicly announce that you're sponsoring my channel, only for privacy reasons. And you know, if I was sponsoring a channel, I wouldn't want other artists to know that I was sponsoring a channel. So I like to keep it private. So, but if you want to take a chance on that to win, all you have to do is hit my PayPal link and donate whatever you can. And we have a 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. I'm going to have that information hopefully by Friday on YouTube. So watch for that to see how to enter. We have great prizes for that. And that's probably it for this one, guys. And I appreciate you watching. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.